Hello everyone, Alejandro here from Caballero Wear, and in today's video I have some exciting news to share. Stay tuned. For those of you that don't know us, we are a family-owned business where we manufacture premium handmade sneakers, boots, and shoes. If you haven't done so, make sure to check out our website. The link is on the description below. So with that said, I have some exciting news, guys. From now on, we're going to be releasing what we call the monthly drop. And what that entails is we're going to be releasing one style per month. And our production team has been working very hard, sampling and just making sure that we have the perfect silhouettes at the best price possible. So we're super excited to launch those. Here I am going to censor. This is what we're working right now. This is what we're working with. Not showing you guys just yet, because once it's ready, you're gonna see the first drop. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter, where we're gonna be sharing the date and as soon as we release our first drop. So stay tuned with that. Now, something fun that we're doing is we're going to be giving away our monthly drop, to one lucky email subscriber. So all you're gonna do is just make sure you go and subscribe to our email list. The link is on the description below. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna send you an email that says, what is your size? As soon as you get that email, you reply your size on that email for a chance to win the monthly drop. So we're gonna do this the first month. We're gonna try it out, see if you guys like it, and we'll go from there. So super excited. That gives a chance for you guys to win some free shoes and for you to be the first person to have those shoes before anybody else. So super excited about that. And that is all the news we have right now. Just wanted to make this video short and sweet, share a little bit about the monthly drop and what that is about. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Happy to answer them. Again, thank you for your support, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Create a great day, everyone.